Okay, here is another problem that has exponential ideas in it. Right here you can see that. It says that, well, they gave us the equation, which is very convenient. It says if 1/4 of the medicine is left after 3 hours, what portion is left after 4 hours? As is usually the case, you have to find the A and the B values. But I will tell you, by this says 1/4 of the medication is left. That implies that the initial amount we could treat the initial amount as 1, okay? So 1/4, if you have y is equal to a b to the t power, we could say we could start with saying that the amount that's left is 1/4, and then we can say that a is 1. In other words, the initial amount. And as you recall, like even just with the investment problems, the principal is usually the number that goes here at the right behind the equal sign. And so this number, whatever the a value is always represents the initial amount. Okay, now we know that we have, obviously b goes here. How much time has elapsed in this first situation? 3 hours, okay? So to solve for b, we're taking the cubed root of b to the third. So we have to take the cubed root of both sides, which means we get the cubed root of 1/4. So now we know that b equals the cubed root of 1/4, okay? And by the way, you're going to keep this in your calculator, but what I came up with is approximately 0.62996. So that's what I'm going to write down here for my equation as I'm rewriting this. Now, I'm going to explain where I'm getting this second 1 value here in just a minute, okay? So 0.62996 to the t power. Okay, this is one of the idea of exponential growth or exponential decay. In this case, it's decay. So we can just assume that she had 1 dose of medicine. Okay, so just like here we said, okay, there was 1/4 of the medicine left, and we started with a full dose. Okay, so we're just always going to assume for the initial amount that it's going to be one full dose. Okay, so what portion is left after 4 hours? Well, all we have to do is just plug a 4 in right here, and I'm assuming you still have 0.62966 and so forth in your calculator, so you should be able to enter that 0.62996 to the 4th power. Obviously, that multiplied by 1 is just going to give you approximately 0.157. I'll say approximately 0.157. So what portion is left? 0.157 of the initial amount or of the dosage. Or we could say 15.7%. That also is a legitimate way to express it.